Myself, Satya. So I am a certified, certified Workday consultant. So I'm working past 7 years onwards, as a Workday implementation partner company. So I do have total 10 years of experience into ERP, 3 years of experience into Peoplesoft, and then I started my career from Peoplesoft. I moved from Peoplesoft to Workday. Okay. So why I moved from Peoplesoft to Workday? Yes, definitely I will give you the clarity later. So and then I did Workday HCM certification, Workday integrations. Yeah. So this is what brief about myself. So I then I implemented around 5 to 6 clients, different modules in Workday HCM. I implemented different integrations. We developed different reports in Workday. Yes, I do have I can able to manage Workday functional as well as Workday integrations, Workday reporting. Altogether, I'm into techno-functional consultant. I can able to manage functional, reporting, technical. Okay. So this is what brief about myself. And then definitely, yes, definitely you will be going to know about more in future. So so many people will be going to ask so many questions about this Workday. Hey, Satya, who can able to join this course? If I want to learn Workday, really I need any coding background, or else I should be completed my graduation, which technology, which stream. If I want to learn Workday, I need any prerequisites? Nothing. If you are planning to learn Workday, if you have a graduate, that's more enough. So apart from the graduation, if you are an MBA, or if you have any work experience into HR, so then really it will be going to help you. That's added advantage. If you are an MBA student, or if you have any experience into HR, then really easily you can able to learn Workday. Why means if you are working in HR, you know about the processes, how recruitment will be going to work, how onboarding will be going to work, how the termination will be going to work. You know some processes, right? These processes in long run, yes, definitely it will be going to help you, right? So apart from this, it's not required any prerequisites to learn Workday. Anybody can able to learn. Functional things you can able to learn easily. Technical stuff, yes, easily you can able to learn. That's no issues, right? Easily you can able to learn all those things, right? So this is the about the course. So why nowadays so many opportunities are available for Workday? Definitely I will cover, right? So introduction to Workday HCM. So Workday is the cloud-based software vendor. This Workday is providing everything. If you are planning to use Workday, if you have internet connection, if you have browser, you can able to access your Workday environment from anywhere. There is no infrastructure. So if you are planning to use Peoplesoft, you need database, you need servers, you need operating system, you need some middlewares, you need some tools. So many things is required to use on-premises ERP. So if your company is planning to use Peoplesoft or Oracle or SAP, you need infrastructure. So the cost is very high. So that is the reason what the companies are doing nowadays. They are moving from their on-premises to cloud computing, Workday. So that is the reason nowadays we have so many opportunities are available in Workday. So just you can go back to the 5 years, 6 years ago. So many companies are using on-premises ERPs like Peoplesoft, Oracle, SAP. On-premises in the sense, nothing. You need to maintain your own infrastructure. You need to install operating systems, servers, database, middlewares, some backup tools. If you have all this setup, then only you can able to use Peoplesoft, Oracle, SAP. But Workday Cloud is not like that. If you have browser, if you have internet, you can able to access your Workday environment from anywhere, right? That is the beauty of Workday. So here in on-premises, you can assume that the cost is 1 crore. But in Workday, the cost will be around 20 to 30 lakhs. Cost is very less. Navigation, flexibility, easily you can able to access, right? So many advantages are there. So that is the reason nowadays, so many big companies also, they are moving from their on-premises to Workday cloud, right? So right, like here this is a Workday is a cloud-based solution. We can able to use anywhere, anytime. It will be provide 24/7 database access, security, right? The Workday is offering Workday Finance is available, Workday HR is available, planning, like so many modules are available in Workday. So whatever you want, you can able to use it. So what is meant by Workday architecture? What are the modules are there? So Workday HCM is there, human capital management. We can able to manage Workday payroll. We can able to manage financial management, Workday projects. So many modules are there. Whatever modules you want, you can choose. You can pay the money for that modules only. Right? This is the ERP. So we are learning Workday HCM. With the help of this Workday HCM, we can able to manage our workforce. For example, if you can take any customer Accenture. In the Accenture, 1 lakh employees are there. Just you can assume that. So if these 1 lakh employees, if you want to manage these 1 lakh employees, right, without ERP, it's a very difficult to manage, right? So that is the reason companies are started using these ERPs, right? So whatever modules you want, you can choose it. So now we are learning Workday HCM, human capital management. Under human capital management, we have so many modules are available, right? So definitely we will be going to cover in future. So what are the things it will come under human capital management? So, but in this course, we designed for functional integrations, reporting, right? So this is the Workday architecture. So this is the customer. The customer can able to access this Workday through mobile, through desktop, right? So the data, everything, it will be going to Workday production system. Everything will be managed by Workday. So we are able to accessing this Workday through internet, right? So slowly you will get the clarity. So in Workday key modules, see, human resource management, like workforce planning, time tracking, payroll, talent management, recruitment management. So many modules are there. So by using recruitment, we can able to manage the hiring. The recruitment team will be going to use this recruitment. Talent management is there. Talent management means the goal setting. These kind of things it will come. Time tracking, options, time off and options. If any employee want to apply the leaves, maternity, paternity, all these things we can able to manage by using this time off time tracking module, right? So the companies will be going to decide what are the modules they want, why they want, they will be going to choose. So based on that, they will start using these modules, right? So this Workday HCM, the human capital management module exists, the right, this is a purely into a cloud-based system. It's a cloud-based system, right? So we have Workday HCM benefits module is there, right? We have human resource management. This is a core module, right? We have a talent management. With the help of this talent management, right, every year, if you want to give the merit increase to your employees, bonus, so how you can able to give based on the goals, right? Whatever goals you were given, if the employee fulfill that goals, we can by use, then only we can able to do that, right? How we can able to manage for 1 lakh 2 lakh employees, in the sense with the help of this talent management module. This talent management module will be going to provide the goal management, succession planning, performance reviews, everything we can able to manage by using this talent management module. So workforce planning, right? So this providing onboarding provisions, management services, succession planning. So all those things we can able to manage. So project and work management, we have the Workday is offering project and work management. So project management things we can able to manage by using this project management module. Recruiting module is there. This recruitment module, Workday, it will help you to release the offers, whatever offers we have pipeline, who are in screening stage, who are in hire stage, who are in offer stage. So this recruiting module will be going to help to the recruiters. Easily the recruiter can able to track their job requisitions. For what are the job requisitions, open job requisitions are there, what are the closed job requisitions are there. Everything we can able to manage with the help of this recruiting module. All right. So payroll, Workday is offering payroll module. So by using this payroll module, every month, we can able to process our payroll, right? With the help of this payroll module, we can able to manage that employee payrolls. Time tracking is there. By the help of this time tracking module, right? The help of this time tracking module. So for example, we have companies located in India, USA. In India, we have different time offs are there. In USA, we have different time plans are there, right? If any employee want to take the leave, so we need to configure in Workday this time off module. If any employee wants to go maternity leave, paternity leave, long leave, vacation leave, sick leave, so everything we need to implement in the Workday system based on our customer requirement. Later, once we release that leave plans, the employee can able to use it, right? That is the beauty of time off and time tracking. So the another one is, right, time off module. Time off also same thing, right? Employees can able to manage. Time tracking is there. Time tracking, when that employee is coming, when the going, how many hours are working. So everything we can able to manage, right? So that is the beauty of time tracking, right? So guys, any questions so far?
No, sir. Actually, clear. Actually, I understand very good. There is no doubt that Workday tool is a very good, and they have plenty of options, and they customize with respect to the organization. There is no doubt in that. Actually, it's a super good tool. But my question is, what exactly a person will learn in this Workday HCM? What he will do the organization?
Yes. I am coming
because we have plenty of tools actually.
Yes. I'm coming to that point directly. I don't want to waste time. I'm coming directly to that point. Okay.
Correct.
So a small example, if this is not related to the Workday, just you can bear me for small example. So do you know, shirt cloth, not ready-made, raw material. I'm talking about the just raw material. Raymond is the shirt cloth material, right? You know Raymond cloth?
Yeah.
So what is their business? Their business is selling a raw cloth to the customer, right?
Yeah. There is a raw cloth, and as well as they have designer suits also nowadays.
Okay, designer suits, that's okay. Just the customer is purchasing the cloth. After that, the customer want to stitch that shirt as per his requirement, right?
Correct.
To whom they are going again? They are going to the tailor.
Correct.
The tailor will stitch the shirt as per the customer requirement, right?
Correct.
A similar way, we have a product in the market called Workday. We have a product in Workday. So Workday only will not able to do implementation for all the customers. Like Raymond will not able to do stitching for all the customers, right? The similar way, the Workday is offering the partnership to the some limited companies like Accenture, IBM, KPMG, Deloitte, Alloy, right? PwC. We have so many companies. PwC, KPMG. We have Accenture. We have IBM. So remember, these are all the implementation partner companies. So what these implementation partner companies will do? For example, just you can assume that I have a company, I have a one software company, I have a one manufacturing company. So in the software company name called HP. So manufacturing company name called MRF, just or else just you can assume that Suzuki. So in the HP company, we have employees around 2 lakh employees are there. Just you can assume that. In the Suzuki company, we have 1 lakh employees are there. My HR people, they don't have any ERP. They are not able to manage these 2 lakh employees. Their payroll perspective, their human resource perspective, their benefits perspective, talent, whatever. So my HP company, my HP HR VP decided to use ERP. So, like, some people told you HR, like, VP. Now, currently in the market, we have a product called Workday product is available. The Workday product is very good. Someone is recommended. What the HP did, HP directly approached to the Workday. HP directly approached to Workday. The Suzuki also same thing, they approached to Workday. So if directly these two companies take in the Workday, will they can able to use directly? No. Are you able to wear the raw material directly? No. You need to stitch the cloth to the from the tailor, right? So this HP company, like the Workday, he suggested, hey, we are selling our Workday product, but we are not doing configuration. So if you want configuration as per your company requirement, just you can approach these companies, PwC or KPMG or Accenture or IBM. What this HP company decided, they are planning to give this project to the KPMG. They are planning to give the project to the KPMG. So they are planning to give the Suzuki company planning to give this project to the Suzuki. So here in these partner companies, in this Workday implementation partner companies, some people will be going to sit. Who is that? Some people who knows Workday. The Workday people will be available in this PwC company, KPMG company, Accenture. So these people, Workday people, will help to the HP. In the HP company, the HR people will give you the requirement to the KPMG. In the KPMG, like hired who knows Workday. These Workday people will do the implementation for HP company. So what kind of implementation they will do? So that is your question. If someone is learned Workday, so here HP will give you, HP company is decided to use Workday HCM module. HCM Workday time and absence module. So under Workday HCM, it will come onboarding, hiring, termination, so many things it will come. So this HP company will tell you, HP company HR people will tell you, hey, if recruiter, whenever the recruiter release the offer letter, immediately one notification should go to the my HR. one action item, it should go to the my HR. So the person details, it should go to the HR. So I want like this. If any employee put the resignation, that resignation, it should go to the first manager. The manager should approve it. Then it should go to the HR. Once the HR is approved, then it should go to the stakeholders. So they will ask, these HP company HR people will ask, based on this HP people requirement, here Workday people will do the implementation configuration. So that's what here the Workday people will do. So here HP company have 3 systems are available. They are using Workday, they are using Oracle, they are using some other XYZ system. Whenever that new employee joined in the HP company, the same information, it should go to the Oracle system for XYZ purpose. So it should go to the some information from Workday to SAP for project management purpose. It should go some information from Workday to ADP for payroll purpose. So that who can able to do integrations? Workday people. So that integrations, how to do that reports, how to do that configuration, how to do that, that's configuration things, that implementation things, we will be going to learn in our coming classes, right? Once you completed your course, either you can able to get the opportunity in the implementation partner companies, or else you can able to get the opportunity in the customer place. Why in the customer place? Once the implementation is completed, again the HP company started using Workday. During they are using this Workday, they may get some issues, right? They may get some issues. So again, if they can approach this implementation partner company, they may get some bugs. So this HP company is taking the support from the KPMG. This KPMG, they are charging for support per year 1 crore. This HP company is not ready. Why I should go like support for 1 crore? What the HP company will do? HP company only will hire 3-4 resources for 30 lakhs only. Their work is completing, right? So either here if you can get the job opportunity in the implementation partner companies, your role would be Workday implementer. If you can get the opportunity in the customer place, your role would be Workday support consultant.
Okay, so yes.
Sorry. So I was going to ask, so if you get the opportunity in like the HP company, and you're supposed to be managing the system after it's been implemented, and you come across an issue that you're not able to fix, do you then go to the KPMG or Workday directly if you need help?
No. See, once the implementation is completed, if you want to continue the support, you can. That's okay. So your company is not going to go for any help to the KPMG. So this HP company only have resource. That time, if you want any additional support, you can directly approach Workday only. They can able to do. They can able to give their community access, everything. We can able to fix it directly without taking any help from KPMG.
Yeah.
So this KPMG we are using for only implementation. See, so many modules would be there, right? 1 or 2 resources, they cannot. So that is the reason in the KPMG functional people would be there, reporting people would be there, integration people would be there. All these people will do implementation. So here,
Sorry. So from what I'm hearing, the PwCs, KPMGs, Accenture, and the likes, they're pretty much, they come in the sense whereby if a company is trying to implement a system, they don't have that system from before, they're pretty much helping you set that up. And once they set it up, they go after the contract expires or whatever it is. They're just helping set it up.
Yeah. Okay. See, that is but like, yeah, please go ahead.
Sorry. So the setup is pretty much based on the company's requirements. That means
Yes.
you still have to have somebody who knows the requirements in terms of what they're trying to build, the stakeholders at the HP level, pretty much.
Yes. So in the HP level also, yes, who knows like little bit about the system before they will hire. And then see here, if the person, nobody is there, like it's very difficult to understand there, right? Here also some people would be there. These people will give you the requirement. Based on the requirement, the KPMG will do implementation.
Okay.
Yes.
So one last question. Sorry.
No, no worries. Yeah, please.
From your experience, so like yourself, I already used Peoplesoft in the past, but I use Workday now. I can definitely tell the advantages of Workday. It's very easy to use and very intuitive. So in terms of a career, perspective for myself, I'm not in the tech space yet, but I work closely with like the analytics team for my company in terms of supporting from a reporting standpoint, for example. After learning this process or how to, whatever you're going to teach us, where would you advise that I kind of seek a job in? Would it be at the KPMG level or the HP level?
No, I will recommend after this course, strongly I will recommend first you can focus on the customer places. You can work at least 1 year or 1.5 years in the customer place. Once you got some exposure, then you can go for implementation partner.
Okay.
So this is first strongly I will recommend you can go for customer place. Later you can go for implementation. See, both the places the pay will be almost same, but this is a branded, this is a customer. That's it. There is no much difference.
Got it.
Yeah. So why means here you need to do from the scratch. Here, yes, of course, few things we need to do from the scratch, but already implemented. So if you can see the old configuration, then easily you can able to understand what kind of integration they created, how they created, what they created. You will get it. Here there is empty. You need to do from the scratch. If you want to do from the scratch, must and should you do have strong exposure, strong knowledge in Workday. Right? That is the reason. Initially, I'll recommend you can go for customer. Once you got some exposure, then you can go for implementation partners.
That makes sense. Thank you.
Thank you.
Satya, actually, I have one doubt. Actually.
Yeah.
So, Workday itself, it's already it's a complete software from the Workday.
Yeah.
KPMG and PwC, they will configure in the sense, they will arrange the options with respect to the policies of the organization. If I'm correct.
Yes.
So, simply, they will give us a step by step. What is the first step?
Skeleton they will give you.
Yes.
So based on by using that functionality, we should configure it by using whatever functionality the Workday is delivered. So we need to configure it based on that.
So will KPMG guys need or PwC guys need to write any program for that?
Nothing. No.
It's a drag and drop type
there is no coding in Workday. Whatever functionality is there, by using that functionality, yes, they will do. That's it. Drag and drop. You can talk about drag and drop.
Yeah, simply actually, if it's like a HP come up with the requirement and KPA is like we are seeing in your paint, actually there are a few of options, and we need to drag and we need to create the architecture with respect to the requirement.
Yes.
Okay.
I'll tell you one small example, try to understand.
Okay.
So you are working in HP. I am working in Suzuki. So in the HP, your company is located in India, in USA. So in USA, you are planning to give a leaves to the employee per year 40 days.
Okay.
In India, we are trying to give you the leaves should be 20 days. So, the plans are different based on the country. So we need to configure it. So this is a HP requirement. Suzuki requirement is, in India, they are trying to give you every month 10 hours. Sorry, every month they are giving you 1 day. So per year, it should come 12 days for overall the globe. If for India employees, US employees. See, I'm talking about this. See, the requirement will be going to change company to company, country to country.
Yeah, that I understand.
Yeah, that's what. Yes, that's
that it depends on the customer internal policies.
Yes.
Based on the policy, we need to design the work.
Okay. And then one more thing, the HR people will be going to, HR VP will be going to ask. Some companies guys will ask, if any employee submits the resignation, first it will go to the approval for HR. Once the HR is approved, after the HR approval only, it should go to the manager. But some companies will be going to change. First, whenever the employee submits the resignation, first it will go to the manager. Once the manager is approved, then only it will go to the HR. So based on the customer requirement, as a Workday consultant, we need to implement. Got it?
Yeah, that makes sense.
So any questions? Make sense? Able to understand or not?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So you said there's no coding. So that piece whereby based on the company's requirements, say HP wants KPMG to configure a leave eligibility for their employees. So I think the law, for example, in the US is you have to have spent 12 months with the company before you are able to be eligible for leave. So that configuration piece itself, what does that look like? Is there any technical? Because I'm not
not technical. We have some conditions. We can able to write the condition. There is no coding. By creating some calculated fields, we can able to create some condition rules. For example, you can talk about maternity leave. The maternity eligibility, if the employee should complete 6 months from the day 1 to 6 months. After
even
6 months,
even that is also will change based on the organization to organization. Some companies may have near and some companies.
Yes. So, but for that, we didn't written any code. We will be going to write some logics. That's okay. That is the graphic UI easily we can able to written in the front end only. There is no back end configuration for that.
Okay.
So yes, see, it's easy to learn. Very easy to learn.
Yeah, just now I got one point. So when it is just writing a front end logics and drag and drop a system, then how bugs will rise?
See, honestly, I'm saying
it's already fully established environment, right?
Yes.
And we are using we are keeping in our requirement order. So at the time of keeping in our requirement order, how bugs will come?
See, bugs is very less in Workday. I'm talking about honestly. Once it's completed the implementation, we can give you the testing team. They will test it in the front end level. If any validations are not working, so we can able to do it. But it's very less bug free system. Yeah.
Okay. So and duration of this course, Satya, how long?
So this course, it will take we have 2 types of batches. One is weekend, another one is regular batch. So regular batch is from tomorrow onwards, it will be going to start same time what time you joined, the same time we are planning. So that is per week 5 days. Every day the session would be there 1 hour 15 minutes. So the total it will take 45 days, around 30 hours. It will take 30 to 35 hours course. This is. So if you are ready to join on regular batch, then this is the schedule. It will take 45 days. There is no class between Saturday, Sundays, right? So that is the reason 45 days. The total hours it will be going to cover 30 to 35 hours. So if you can go for weekend batch, so every weekend it will be going to cover 4 hours. So we need to spend around 7 to 8 weeks
for the weekend one.
Weekends.
So does the weekend, is it only just one day or Saturday and Sunday?
Saturday and Sunday.
Okay. So, but we're only doing Sunday today because it's the intro.
Yeah. So you can plan it if you are interested for on daily classes, then that is the best option. So if you want only weekend, means Saturday and Sunday.
Yes, that's what would work for me because I'm working during the week.
Yeah.
And Satya, during this learning phase, are you going to give the live
Yes.
cases?
Here it will be going to cover
exercises.
two implementations. I can be able to cover during the class. Means see, from the starting day 1 to 15 classes, I will give you some assignments, small assignments. After 15 classes is completed, we will be going to cover one small implementation. After 15 classes, small implementation. After that, after 15 classes, we will be going to cover, after 20-25 classes, a big implementation will be going to cover. So total 2 implementations with different 20 assignments. It will cover real-time scenarios. Yeah.
And will you evaluate that assignment, Satya?
Yes, definitely.
Will you notify the mistakes to the students and
yes.
Okay.
See, yes.
What about the credentials of the Workday?
So we can give you the credentials. 2 months access would be there. 2 months access. Yes, 2 months access. Apart from the 2 more months you want, yes, we will charge some minimum amount. Yes, we can able to give you if you want. 4 months or 5 months access you want. Yes, we can.
Okay. Yeah. So along with that, study material you will provide, or
yes, the material. Yes, the material. We have very good materials are there. Just a minute. So, right, in India, there is a festival is going on, right? In Choti. The celebrations are there. Yeah. Okay. So, see, we have, around 400 pages document is there. Okay. So, the document I can give you. So, you can go through that. And then topic wise, we can able to share some documents, interview questions we can able to share, and then assignments. Yes. End of the course.
One small doubt: will you help in building resume also?
Yes, resume. Yes, if definitely I can. End of the course. Yes, I can. End of the course, we will be going to take one mock interview. Not now.
And are you going to provide alumni status? I mean, whenever they have any problems, will you sort out for example?
See, strongly I will recommend to my students. See, without putting the efforts, it's very difficult to fix the issues. What I will recommend, see, some students what they will do, they will try for 1 time or 2 times. They will simply hey Satya, we tried but we cannot get the solution. Please help me. I don't have any issues to help. But if they didn't try it properly, they cannot learn the subject. So that is the reason I told them, my students, to try at least 6 to 7 times. After 7th time, if you are not able to get the solution, then let me know. I can able to help you. Right. So that's what. Then definitely I can do that. But not initially. If they can try it so many times, still they are facing the issue, then definitely I can give you my solution.
Okay. That's really good. And such a one more doubt I have, that actually in your website I have seen that you are going to provide a certificate also after completion of the course.
Yeah.
So what is the credibility? Our companies are actually the moment by seeing your certificate, I mean, it's like a win-win case.
That certification, that is a course completion certification. Okay. Yeah.
No, actually, in recently when I'm browsing, actually I have seen that one of the company, which company it is, PwC, I think so. They are asking certification.
See, why they will ask in the sense?
Actually, no. Let me complete. Certification in the sense, is there any separate certification or?
Yes. I'll come to that point. So this Workday certification is I think you never heard about this one. I'm telling you. What is the challenging on this Workday certification? For example, if you want to do a certification, must and should you should be associated with this implementation partner company. First, the one point. So if you can spend $10,000, $20,000 also in outside, you cannot get the Workday certification. Make sure 100% you should be associated with the partner company. So if you moved from PwC to KPMG, KPMG to Accenture, your certification is valid. If you can move from PwC to customer, your certification is not valid. Remember this point.
Okay.
Your certification is gone. So,
okay. So yes. What if you work with a company that implemented a Workday or that uses Workday? Does that mean you're certified in it?
Yeah.
Like, for example, my company uses Workday system. Does that, if you use that and you work in like that space, does that mean you're certified?
Yeah. See, if you are working in this must and should, you should working with this implementation partner with Workday, then only you can able to get the certification. So in the HP customer place also, you may get the Workday certification, but there is a customer certification. Okay. See, okay. The certification 20%, yes, the companies will be going to ask. Why means I tell you. So if the student is certified, directly they can able to assign the project. That is a one advantage. If they didn't do certification, how the customer should know they really know or not? Right? That is the thing.
Okay. And yeah, please go ahead.
No, I was just going to clarify. So the certification is not necessarily writing an exam. It's just being associated with those implementation companies that Workday recommends.
Yeah. See, this customer place, no one will be going to ask you the certification. Nobody will be going to ask in customer places. We have so many customers, 4,000, 5,000 customers are there. No one will be going to ask certification. Yes, if you are planning to go to the implementation partner, 30% of the requirement they will be going to ask, but 70% even they didn't ask. That is like some companies, yes, of course, they will be going to ask sometimes, but not every time. Sometimes they will ask certification, sometimes they will see your skill, they will hire, they will give you the training, they will request you to do the certification again. That time you can do it. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is it. So any questions, guys?
Yeah, actually, Tilliard, it's a good conversation, Satya. And one small question, and this is actually it's a hypothetical question. No, actually, what is the percentage of a conversion from? I mean, like people got jobs after learning this.
See, I'll tell you honestly. I don't want to blame you. Honestly, I'm telling you. See, I delivered so many trainings, so many people. The ratio will be if the 10 people learn Workday, 7 people will get the jobs. 7 to 8, max 8, 7 to 8. The 2, I'm not sure. The 3, sometimes not sure. But 7 people out of 10, 7 to 8 people will get the jobs in Workday.
So
it may take some time, like 1 or 2 months, but definitely get the job.
So you said you help with resume after you finish this. So by just putting that you've learned this on your resume, that you have this skill, it would help you get a job in that field.
See, helping
after,
with the jobs
after learning.
Yeah, after learning, like you need to put some experience, right? Some experience. You need to put some experience. We need to tie up with some consultants in USA. You need to take some certifications. Yes, the institute people will help for that if you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
Satya, actually, the current employee, actually, my wife is, as I said earlier, she's a working woman, and that too in a reputed organization in India. So by learning this, so I don't think so need to get any other certification apart from that. So will it okay? Can we move out with the knowledge of Workday?
Yes.
So will it not become any problem, right?
No.
Okay. And one more thing, such actually. See, you said 4,000 customers are there in India, right?
Yeah, not only India, globally I'm talking.
Okay, globally for Workday. Yeah, actually, nowadays, actually, even I am seeing that so many companies, they are using Workday for this hiring purpose. Actually, job portals. If you see GE and some other companies, they are using
Yes.
Workday. Even HP also, they are using Workday for a yeah. I recently seen, and there is no doubt on a Workday for me. Only I have a doubts on what we learn and how jobs, what is the frequent of jobs and how we can get a job. These are the questions. Exactly what we will do, whether we are going to use only. Firstly, I thought that are we end users only just choosing the options by like doing administrator? Like I thought. Now I understand that we are configuring the tool with respect to the requirement. I understand.
These
So,
are all the customers about these are all the customers.
And
we have so many. Yeah.
Okay. How many implement bodies only? There only 4 or 5 or
no. More than 10. So many are there.
So many are there. Okay.
Yeah. So implementation partners we have. So many are there.
So, and such a, is it good platform to talk here regarding the finance matters, and we will, or else do you want me to go tomorrow?
No, finance things you can check with the organizer. We don't have, right? You can check with the organizer.
Yeah. Okay, I understand.
So you want weekend batches or weekdays?
No, actually, she can afford the time this period, and she was in a maternity leave, so daily 1.5 hours. Yeah, definitely she can afford.
Yeah, 1 hour 50 minutes, not 1.5 hours also. 8 to 9:15.
Yeah, definitely she can afford the time. That's not that. Only I need to check regarding the financial matters and other matters. And how many batches you delivered, Satya?
Hey, I delivered, like, you can't believe, from the 2017 I started. Who has completed the course, like, they blindly they get the jobs. You see, like, the US IT recruiters, the non-IT recruiters, like, HR operation people, HR executives, BTech freshers, who doesn't have any, like, crazy. There's 2017 and 18. 19, like, yes, the going good hiring, but the 20, the corona bad, market is very bad.
And actually
now the market
now
is
it's booming actually.
Now it's booming. Yes. Now it's booming. Yeah. Okay. So if you want weekdays, yes, definitely. Please ask her to join from tomorrow 8. Yes, definitely we can.
No. Actually, tomorrow. Yeah, we need to think, and so from tomorrow onwards, there is a fresh batch. And
fresh batch. Yes, just we given only one demo. Yeah, we are planning to Monday. Yeah.
So today is the Monday. So next week,
No, today is Sunday, right?
Sorry. Yeah, today is Sunday for us actually. Further Monday for US. Okay.
Okay, so the next weekend class starts Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday. Yes.
Okay. Yes. And we'll be getting the WebEx link or whatever link to log in. Zoom link.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Satya, and
thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, it's really a very good session, interactive session. Thank you. Thanks for.
Yeah. So how many days you want? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, how many days you want, Gopi, for taking the days?
Frankly speaking, actually, we have a little bit of time, up to 2 months, and actually, my motive is I need to train her in a proper direction, and I mean, like I see even I don't expect a job with a half knowledge also. By going there inside and sitting there, and it's again trouble and everything, right? At least I believe that she also need to do hard work, and from your side, also, she need to learn very well.
Yeah. If you want, like, I'm telling you, Gopi, see, if you decided, I don't want force you. If really interested, like, if really interested, please ask her to join regular batches, like, okay, all right, Toro, fine. Yeah, we can connect next week. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. So yeah, if she's interested, please ask her to join weekdays batch. So then, yes, definitely. Why means already three or four people are there. So why need? Obviously, I need to spend a lot of time to understand for them. Like, yes, of course.
Yeah,
so
actually, even I also think even if 4 or 5 people continuous people are there. No?
Yes.
If one person raise one different query.
Yeah.
So they will learn more.
That's the thing. So weekend batch in the sense, like, I'm telling you, frankly, yes, weekend batch, yes, sometimes it will work. Some people it doesn't work. Why means the gap will come, like so many challenges, right? That is the thing. So if you decided, then please plan it.
And
so
if not tomorrow, and again, when you are going to start a new batch?
So again, new batch in the sense it will take time, Gopi. So again, morning actually we are planning to start another batch, but that is not like Workday HCM. That is the integrations. Already, like those people has already like working professionals in Workday. I'm going to teach you some advanced level. That is a different thing. Yeah. But again, it will take, that is 40 to 45 days. After 45 days only, I'm free. But this is the slot is available now.
Okay, and one small question: if she missed 1 or 2 classes, is it possible to recover that?
Yeah. That's we will do that.
No. Actually, so I need to know her decision also by explaining all these things. So if 1 or 2 days got delayed, also if you have a time, no, you can cover up that, right? Is it?
Yes.
Okay. Then tomorrow I'll talk to the guy who deals with the finance.
Yeah. You can talk to them, and then just actually our regular session will be going to start at 8 o'clock. If she's interested to join from tomorrow, please ask her to join at 7 o'clock tomorrow only, 7 p.m. 1 hour early. Then I need to discuss something with her. Then I will club to 8 o'clock.
Okay. Sir.
Yeah. All right.
Thank you. Thanks.
Yeah. Thank you.
Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.